Ikan tao ni mo.
Ang pangbulak. Ang pangbulak lang na.
Ah. Tay buyog.
Okay. Suka niya. Kaya kami panggihan mo. Sa ginawang buwat. Lahat pa. Nandun.
Isa man ng kuan ma. This is your land.
This is my garden flower.
What are you holding?
This is my singlisa.
Sanggarab.
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 What is it kind of sharp?
Sharp.
It's so sharp. So what else do you have in this garden?
There are many bananas is planting.
There are many
Bananas.
Daghan kay bananas guys. So, mga saging.
Lubi.
And these are your coconuts.
Coconut. Another mango.
Another mango. Where's your mango?
Diyan. There's.
My grandma owns a big land here in Secret.
This is my garden.
O karon nag sanggot-sanggot siya. Kay sagbot tayo. Sagbot ang iyang garden. Ha?
This is my.
What's the name of that flower?
The name of this flower is Flordelis.
Flordelis?
Flordelis.
Flordelis?
Yes. Flordelis.
Smile.
You see?